Hello, we're going to practice some of our sight words. Ready? We. I want you to be saying them. See if you can beat me. And. See. No. The. Like. I. A, or some people say like I have a fish, or I have a fish. Now, we're going to go back and we're going to spell them. Ready? Maybe you want to jump them out. I'm going to do the cheerleader. Give me a W. Give me an E. What's that spell? What? What? I hope you shouted we. Give me an A. Give me an N. Give me a D. What's that spell? What? What? Did you say and? Give me an S. Give me an E. Give me an E. What's that spell? I hope you said C. Give me a T. Give me an H. Give me an E. What's that spell? The. Give me an L. Give me an I. Give me a K. Give me an E. What's that spell? Like. Let's go through our sounds. M says I says it. A says ah. C says k. K says k. T says t. N says n. P says p. E says e. D says d. B says b. F says f. L says l. J says j. H says h. X says x. U says R says O says ah. Q says qu. W says w. V says v. G says g. Y says y. Z says z. S says s. Let's try those letters now. Ready? I want to hear you, or someone wants to hear you at your house. S. M. A. P. B. S. N. T. M. D. B. Remember, with the B, first comes the bat and then comes the ball, and you can hit it out of the ball field so the ball can keep going. B. C. T. P. C. A. T. S. Thank you.